Hey guys, this is day 3 of the store opening, and they pulled me in. I was out building the sign out front, and they pulled me in to help behind this deli counter because they were completely overwhelmed. We didn't have enough help to do all the cutting of the meat and the cheese. I found a breather and thought I'd get a little video. So it was very, very busy, and let's have a look around. So it's still busy, but I had no chance to video because, as I said, I was behind the counter having to help get the cheese and the meat cut. And this is day 3, and we've smashed records the first day. And today, I believe we'll probably smash all-time records again since it was opened in 1995. So let's get a view of what's going on. People are loving the store. They're loving it a lot. Everyone's commenting on it, shopping, and the deli's been very, very busy with the sandwiches, the burgers, the fries. Dave, what do you have to say for yourself? Dave here supplied a lot of our equipment over in this area. Yeah, what do you have to say about your stuff you put in here?
Exciting. This will turn into a real functioning department as soon as it gets the grease in.
Bugs worked out.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dave, you've done well, and we got some of the equipment back here from Spokane Restaurant Supply, right?
Yep.
And Dave is standing by our cheese and meat little island here, and give a nice little display. But yeah, it's working out great. Here's the bakery that my wife has helped to create. The homemade breads, now today it's running a little bit low because it's toward the end of the day, but lots of healthy breads and recipes. The checkouts are over here. And this department, we have the tables for people to sit. Table needs to be cleaned off. This is the coffee area. And so it's been great.